session which we will be taking is on mathematics. Good morning, everyone. The first session which we would be taking is on the topic called as quadratic equations. Quadratic equations are normally asked in bank PO exams as well as in SSC and sometimes even in the clerical exams. May not be asked so much relevant in UPSC. So what we'll do is we'll just try to solve a simple quadratic equation. Let us take an example. First equation we are taking is x square plus 5x is equal to 6. Traditionally, this can be solved as dividing 5x further into. So first example is x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Now 5x can be divided into x square plus 5x can be divided into 2x plus 3x, which is equal to plus 6, which is equal to 0. X can be taken out of x squared plus 2x. What remains inside is x plus 2. So what I've done is from x squared plus 2x, x is taken out. What remains is x. So x into x squared is x into x is x squared, and x into 2 is 2x. So x squared plus 2x can also be written as x into x plus 2. Similarly, in the next part, 3x plus 6 there, we take out 3. What remains is x plus 2, which is equal to 0. Hence, now the equation becomes x into x plus 2 plus 3 into x plus 2. Now this out of this whole equation again can take x plus out. What remains inside is x plus 3, which is equal to 0. So now equation x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0 is converted into x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now, when there is such an equation x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to 0, then it means either x plus 2 can be 0 or x plus 3 can be 0, which means either x is equal to minus 2 or x equal to minus 3. Now this is how we used to do traditionally solve a quadratic equation in case of a 10th exam, 11th, 12th exam. In UPSC or in banking exam, we don't have so much of time that we can solve it through this. So there's a shortcut method. So to solve this equation, just look at this, the middle number, which is 5x, and this number, which is 6. Now we have to identify two numbers, the sum of which should be equal to 5 and the product should be equal to 6. Sum of two numbers, so the product of which is 5 and the sum of which is 5 and the product is 6. So if we can clearly make out 1 plus 4 is 5, but 1 into 4 is not 6. Similarly, 2 plus 3 is 5 and 2 into 3 is 6. So looking at these two only, we can find out that the root will be 2 and 3. And since it is plus this side, the root will be minus 2 and minus. It will always be opposite the sign which is present in the middle. So we have two roots equal to minus 2 and minus 3. Let us take an example of another quadratic equation which has been generally the question is asked. Question is not asked in this manner. The question is given one quadratic as it was given x square plus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Another quadratic equation is given as y square plus 7x plus 12 equal to 7y plus 12 equal to 0. Now we have already found out the first equation, x is minus 2 and minus 3. The same logic, if you try to solve this equation, y square plus y plus 12 equal to 0, we can get is y is find out two numbers, the sum of which is 7 and the product is 12. 1 plus 6, no. 2 plus 5, 2 into 5 is 10, no. 3 plus 4 is 7 and 3 into 4 is 12. So the roots will be y will be minus 3 and minus 4. Now the question is asked, these two questions are given, and the question is asked whether x is greater than y, whether y is greater than x, whether x is greater than equal to y, whether y is greater than equal to x, or x is equal to y. Now in this equations, you can really find out that y is also minus 3, x is also minus 3. There is a possibility of x being equal to y. So x is greater than y is out, y is greater than x is out. But again, we have to see that x is minus 2 and y is also minus 3. So the solution would be x is either equal to y or greater than y. So x is equal to or greater than y. We can pick up this number. This will be the answer. So in case we will solve more complex quadratic equation in the next sessions. In case you want to get in touch with us, you can get in touch with us at evalueeducation at gmail.com in case you have any doubts, or you can also visit the website evalueeducation.com, or you can also drop call me on 8860171269, or you can drop visit our website at evalueeducation.com. I hope the session was useful. Thank you.